Hi everyone, welcome to G&T's Kitchen. It's Christmas season. Let's go a little bit healthy with whole wheat crackers. Definitely has less sugar than the cookies and cakes we've been having so far. The whole wheat part also makes it good for the health. You can make it into any shape you want. It doesn't have to be a holiday theme. The crackers are cracking. Let's get start. In a bowl, I have white flour, and then wheat flour goes in. After that, I'm going to add the sugar, very small quantity of sugar, not too sweet. Baking powder, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. Also going to use baking soda. Baking soda is 1 teaspoon. Next thing to add is the salt. That's a 1/4 teaspoon, or you could use a pinch. Combine everything together, mixing properly. That's done. Cut in the margarine or butter, whichever you are using. With clean hands, I'm going to rub it in. Fat as well combined. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'll make sort of a well inside to add the liquid. To sour milk, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you could use lemon juice. And I'm also going to add the spices. I'm going to use ginger and cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon each of ginger goes in, and then 1/2 teaspoon too of cinnamon. You could use a teaspoon each of either one, either ginger or cinnamon. Mix everything together. Back to the flour mixture, just make it a little bit wider. That's the well, and then I'll pour in the liquid, the sour milk with the spices and vinegar. One thing about this recipe is it's a soft dough, and you can do the mixing with a fork. Well combined together. Divide this into 2, working with 1 part at a time. Just a clean surface with flour, could be whole wheat flour or regular flour, or you could use a combination of both. So I'm going to knead the flour a few strokes. It's a sticky dough, so you need to constantly dust the surface. The rolling pin should be dusted too, so that it does not stick to the dough. Roll it not too thick and not too thin. If it's very thin, it's going to break. I'm going to use these 2 Christmas cutters, the bell and the star, and if it's sticky, I'm going to dip it in flour before I use it. If you don't have a Christmas shape cookie cutters, use any other shape you've got. Go with crackers on a paper lined baking tray. Preheat the oven, and I'm going to poke holes into the crackers. Let me poke the ones I didn't poke with a fork properly. It's all done, and I'm going to bake in a hot oven. Our whole wheat crackers is ready. Please like and subscribe. Bye.